More social workers could be brought on board to help workers and their families with the pandemic set to worsen the employment situation. Social and Family Development Minister Desmond says 20,000 applications have been filed for a new grant that helps people who've lost their jobs or who've had a pay cut, with 3 months of wage support. In an exclusive interview, the minister has said the scheme has been up and running for less than 2 weeks. Vanessa Lim with more.
MOM is keeping an active eye for companies that are taking wage measures, whether it's wage cuts, no pay leave, or retrenching staff. They will notify MOM, and MOM keeps on top of the employment figures. How the employment and unemployment situation will be like in the months going forward, we think it will get worse.
So more workers and their families might need assistance such as financial or even psychological support in the months to come. And all this must be putting an enormous strain on the social workers and counselors. Is MSF ramping up recruitment to handle the increasing workload then?
We certainly do need more people to join us in the social sector. In fact, the number of social workers in our family service centres has increased year on year. And we're looking to bring in more people during a crisis like this. We need to make sure that our family service centres and our social service agencies have the manpower that they need, as well as tools like digital tools to enable them to do their work more effectively and efficiently.
So what are some of the challenges social workers have seen so far? For instance, are we seeing more domestic issues as more people stay home?
Yes. Our adult and child protection services has seen a 15% increase in the number of calls relating to family and domestic violence. You see an increase in caregiver stress. You see in families where relationships have been tense, and when the family members have had to stay together at home for longer periods of time, that's where tensions may flare, and in some cases may spill over into threats or into actual family violence. We're working very closely with our social services and with the community, also with law enforcement agencies to keep a close eye on family violence.